Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today, another simple and delicious cook. We are going to be doing a 10-pound ham in the Power XL Vortex 10-quart 1700 watt. Now, this is great because, this is going to come out around Easter, but any other holidays, Christmas and Thanksgiving, and, basically the air fryer is going to give you the flexibility to open up your oven. If you want to do a ham and a turkey and a ribeye or, whatever you want to do, it's going to allow your oven to be used, for all kinds of other stuff, and let the air fryer just cook the ham. And it's going to be super easy. Super easy. So, you know what? Let's go ahead and get into the cook. All right, guys. So this is what we have. 10-pound ham in the air fryer, and it's a spiral sliced brown sugar ham. Let's see if I can get you up in there. And does it show the weight on here? It did on the tag. It was 10.25 pounds. Doesn't say on here on the tag. Anyway, so 10.25 pounds. So 10-pound ham is what we got here. So I just wanted to show you what we got. Now, from here, super simple. I'm not going to show you this. I'm just going to literally cut the plastic off, bring you right back. See you in a minute. All right, so I literally just cut open the vacuum seal plastic around it, and this is what we got. And it's already pre-sliced spiral cut. I don't know if there you can see, or it's already pre-cut. Those are just gonna fall apart and be awesome. Now, first thing you're gonna want to do is now where the bone is right here, there's gonna be a plastic cap. Now you'll have this on the bottom where that is, and then also on the top. This one doesn't have it. Usually in shank portions and whatnot, they have a cap up here as well. Make sure to take that plastic cap off. So that's the ham. It's already looking amazing. Awesome. So let's take it to the next step. I'm gonna set this aside real quick. Oh yeah, over there. And what we're gonna do is we've got the air fryer drip pan. All right. And let's bring it over here. And what we're going to do, we're going to grab some tin foil. All right. Now the reason why we're doing this is because the juices from the ham, and as you can see, the drip tray is not that deep. Those juices are going to be kind of flowing everywhere. Now, if you have an actual pan that will fit in your air fryer to the dimensions, hey, use a pan for sure. But what we're going to do is we are going to put this in here, one down here, and then we're going to go to this lid. All right, like I said, this is only to catch the juices. All right, so you put the air fryer thing down there, where we're at. All right, we're good to go. Now we're going to grab the ham, close that up, and set it right there. Right there in the middle. All right, so from here, we're not going to wrap the ham. All right, we want it to cook in the heat. All we're going to do is go ahead and just slightly pull it up, making, pretty much like a little tray or whatever to kind of catch the juices. That's it. Just kind of get it around there a little bit. All right. You want the top exposed and all that. So we're all prepared. We're good to go. Let's go ahead and take you to the air fryer. All right, so we're at the air fryer. Oh, we got our ham glaze here that we're going to use. I'm sure you've all seen this. You can make your own, whatever you like. I'm just going to keep it simple and use what it came with. I'll show you that in a little bit. But so we're at the air fryer. So first thing you want to do, and I really like this because the door comes right off. That's awesome. Like there's no jiggling back and forth and doing all that. It just comes right off. I love that. So now I'm going to grab the ham. All right, we got the ham here, and it just makes it also easier for putting bigger pieces of food in there and stuff. So go ahead and get it right there on the bottom, and it'll fit perfectly right in there. That's awesome. And you got a little bit of clearance up top as well. So, that's as far as that goes. Super easy. I do like the door coming off and how it goes back on. Where's the holes here? and it just goes right back on. I love that. So let's go ahead and close this thing up. We're going to turn it on. We're actually going to go down to 350 degrees. All right, we're going to set it for an hour, and then we will actually check it in an hour. Now what you're going to want to do, we're trying to reach a certain temperature, so this will get us close. All right, so light on. We can't really see the light because the meat's so big, but we're off and running. So about 60 minutes, we'll come back, we'll check the temperature, we'll see you then. All right guys, so we are 1 hour in. As you can see, it says off. It's been 60 minutes. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. And what we're going to do, take a peek down here. Oh yeah, juices are starting to collect on the bottom. Is get yourself a thermometer. All right, what we're going to do is take the temperature inside. All right, so what we're going to do is we got some juices down here. Is we're going to go ahead and we are going to take it out and then put it back in, but without the foil. See you in a minute. All right, so I just wanted to show you real quick. We took it out. Oh, man, that thing is heavy. Looking good, looking perfect. This top cap, it's gonna get a little burn. That's nothing at all. What you want is all the rest of that. So I just wanted to show you real quick. So we're gonna take it out of the aluminum foil, dump the juices in a bowl, and then I'll put it back on and be right back with you. All right, so we are back. I took the foil off, got it here. Ooh, it is looking amazing. And I took the door off. Remember, the door comes off super easy, so that's awesome. And get that thing in there, just like that. And we're gonna get the door back on there, just like that. Close it up. We're gonna go back on 350. All right, now we are gonna set it for another hour, and just keep in mind, this is just an appliance. It's gonna sit off to the side and just cook while you're doing all your other cooking. And we're talking about a 10-pound piece of meat, so it's gonna take a minute. So we'll give it, we'll check it in like 30 minutes or so and kind of see where we're at. We'll see you then. All right, so it has been another hour. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a look. We're gonna have to get a close-up view because it's looking phenomenal. And we're just gonna take the door off and set it aside real quick. And we got a lot of juices and stuff on the outside, so we're gonna pull this thing out. Oh man, look at that thing. That looks phenomenal. The juices, I can't tip it because the juices will go everywhere. I'm gonna get this on the cutting board. We'll see you in a minute. All right guys, so this is what it is. This is how the ham turned out. Man, there's literally juices dripping on the floor. I goes off the mop. Looking absolutely amazing. And this gets you to about a little over 100 degrees, but look, we just fall apart. Now, as far as the glaze goes, I was going to do the glaze. I'm going to turn this over this way. I was going to do the glaze, but I'm on keto. It's not a big deal. Follow the directions on the packet till it's boiling and then just dump it on. That's all there is to it. So let's go ahead and take a look what we got here. I'm going to take a bite. Perfect. That is delicious. And it all just falls right apart. Look at that. Just big old chunks of awesome ham just falling apart. Oh my gosh, I just want to eat all of it. Yum. The whole thing. A spiral cut. Shuffle it like cards. Look at that. That is great. More pieces just coming off in big chunks perfectly. Oh man. And if you want to do that glaze, you know, put it on there, but stick around because I got something to say about the air fryer. I mean, look at this all the way down. I mean, kind of crispy on the outside like bacon. Super soft and tender in the middle. Oh man, that's awesome. Anyway, hey, don't miss this. We'll bring it back up top in just a minute. I shuffle through my ham. What am I gonna do with all this ham? Eat it, of course. Awesome. All right, we'll see you in a minute. Stick around. All right, guys, we are finished, and I mean, this is ham-alicious. Now, as far as the glazing goes, all you have to do is follow the instructions on the packet and then just glaze it. You can throw it back in the air fryer if you want, but what I wanted you to stick around for is use your air fryer. You know, it's going to alleviate some of the stuff that during the holidays when you have people over, you know, it's going to open up some of that that oven space for you, so you can cook your turkeys and your ribeyes and your other stuff in there. You know, throw the ham in there. You know, the ham's already pre-cooked. You know, make sure you get a pre-cooked ham. But yeah, it's already done. So all you're doing is you're heating and serving. You know, a couple hours, it's done. And you can time that with, you know, whatever you got. But I mean, the ham is phenomenal. Crispy on the outside, nice and juicy on the inside. I mean, you can't ask for more than a kitchen appliance than do a 10-pound ham in a couple hours. So that's what I wanted you to stick around for. So anyway, if you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing. If you like the content, make sure to give a thumbs up, leave an awesome comment. And with that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.